wait until I show you how you can lounge in this. I cannot get over how cozy and comfortable this blanket is. But first, let's start off with the extra long 14-foot cord for more freedom to move around. I absolutely just love this blanket. It is a reversible fabric. It's ultra soft flannel, plush sheepra for cozy comforts. I love it for I'm always cold, so I love this if I'm just on the couch and watching movies or working, and I love how long it is. I'm 5'7", and I still have so much room and the overflow, so you could probably be 6'3" and still have the blanket fully from top to bottom. And it's, again, very soft. I love how cozy it is. I do think that this is a great and thoughtful Christmas gift or birthdays for somebody that you love. I think we'll be gifting this to some family members. So again, I just love that it has these 18-inch heated foot pockets as well, so the heat reaches all the way down to your toes. If you're anything like me and always cold, I think this is such a great investment. I love lounging in this, whether it is on the couch, movie night, or in the bedroom, or while I'm working, and it gets a little chilly as we are approaching cold here. So I think it's such a great investment.